Hi everyone, now let's talk about set default method from Python dictionary data structure. Now this set default method can be used to give proper value to the key from the Python dictionary. If we have key, then it will display respective value. If doesn't have any key, when you are setting default method, then it will return none value. So now let's see here. You can understand example. I'm just taking dict equal to, then any value you take. You can say happy, and then value you can say good, and then sad, and then not good. Whatever you can. So I have dictionary like this. So print of dict, print of type of dict here. So this is the standard approach that we are able to find out dictionary data structure. Now what we need to do? We need to set the default value for that. Now let's see here. I am just taking default, you can say value. This is the variable name I am just taking, and then dictionary name. You need to use dictionary name, and then set default method. Set default. Then what is the key that we have? Then I am giving 4 here. So when I execute here, or you can say print dictionary data structure is. So what is the dictionary data structure that we have? Dict. Now print, then we have default value is. So when we execute, when we call this variable which we have done for that, so when we execute now, what will happen? So this is the value we are getting. So dictionary data structure is, this is the dictionary which we have, and default value when we are using set default, that respective key, that value will be presented here. Now same case if we observe, when value 5, or you can say 3 you can take, then you are getting value, default value is set for 3 here. Now what will happen when we don't have key number which we are going to set default? Now 5 we can take, then see the value is presented as none. So that means when the key is available, it will display respective value for that key. If key is not presented using set default, then it will return none value. Even you take very small example, then you can take it like this: emp, then here name, then you can say John, and then here age, then 34, then salary will be 60,000. Now print of emp, then print of type of emp. Now you need to give default val, just time variable name equal to, then dictionary name dot emp dot, then default method, like you can say set default, set, then default, set default of, then I am just taking here salary. So you need to capture that, print of, then dictionary data structure is then you need to call that variable, that dictionary name emp, then you can say print of, then you can say default value is from the dictionary, you can say from the dictionary is, then you need to call that default value. So when I call this default value, what will happen, respective key for that value will be presented. Now let's see default value from the dictionary. Okay, so when I execute, it will be 60,000. Now you can take it same way, you can give like this, you can take it age here, so it will be 34. Whenever you are trying to capture that key, if the key, whenever you are trying to give set default, that key is not presented, that means department, then it will return none value. So this is all about set default method in Python data structure dictionary. Okay, so thank you so much, see you in the next class.